Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging method for your speaker Realme Pocket Bluetooth. All you should have a USB-C cable, so just open the plug and connect USB-C cable to USB-C port. We can see a red light, so it means that it's charging. And the second method is to use your phone. All you should have is USB-C cable to USB-C cable. But if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C to your phone or Lightning to your phone if you have Lightning to USB-C, and the second one to your speaker. We can also see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.